5 easy ways to make porcelain tile floors shine without wax. Dear friends, porcelain tile floors are known for their durability, beauty, and low maintenance. However, over time they can start to look dull due to dust, residue, and everyday foot traffic. The good news is that you don't need wax to restore their shine. Here are 5 easy and effective ways to make your porcelain tile floors shine naturally. First, start with regular sweeping or vacuuming. Dust, sand, and dirt particles can make the surface look dull and even cause tiny scratches. Using a soft broom or vacuum cleaner with a hard floor attachment helps remove loose debris and prepares the floor for proper cleaning. Second, clean the floor using warm water and a mild detergent. Mix a few drops of gentle dish soap in a bucket of warm water and mop the floor with a microfiber mop. This helps remove grease, stains, and everyday dirt without damaging the tile surface. Third, use a vinegar and water solution for deeper cleaning. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with a bucket of warm water and mop the floor. Vinegar naturally cuts through grime and helps restore the natural shine of porcelain tiles. Fourth, rinse the floor with clean water after mopping. Soap or vinegar residue left on the tiles can cause streaks or a cloudy appearance. A quick rinse keeps the surface clear and shiny. Finally, dry the floor with a clean microfiber cloth or dry mop. This step prevents water spots and gives the tiles a polished, sparkling finish without using any wax. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.